nickels.
The Big Nickel in Sudbury, Ontario, is a 9-meter, 30-foot, replica of a 1951 Canadian nickel. It is the world's largest depiction of a coin, and is an iconic symbol of Sudbury's rich mining history. You'll find the Big Nickel on the grounds of the dynamic Earth Science Museum. This giant coin stands proudly on a small hill, and is a must-see attraction for anyone visiting the greater Sudbury area. The Big Nickel was the brainchild of Ted Silva, a Sudbury firefighter with a big dream. Back in 1963, when the Sudbury Canada Centennial Committee asked for ideas to celebrate Canada's centennial, Ted had the vision of a tourist attraction that would celebrate Sudbury's mining industry. He imagined a giant coin, an educational mine, and a science center. Although his idea wasn't chosen by the committee, Ted didn't give up.
Thank you very much.
He bought land, raised funds, and in 1964, his dream came true when the Big Nickel was unveiled, just in time for the centennial celebrations. Despite its name, the Big Nickel isn't actually made of nickel. It's crafted from sheets of stainless steel, a decision made to ensure it could withstand Sudbury's weather. Local artist Bruno Cavallo designed the coin, which features King George VI on one side and a nickel refinery on the other. Unlike today's round nickels, the original 1951 Canadian nickel had 12 sides. The Big Nickel faithfully replicates this unique shape, adding to its charm.